Hi everyone, it's Lori and welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing well today. So today I actually had myself a shop, guys, for some jelly printing. I am excited to do an art journal. And I have been watching a lot of Barbara at 49 Dragonflies here lately. And yeah, does that color look okay, guys? And yeah, I got really inspired. So I actually thought about making myself an art journal, and then like a blank one to start out with. And then I was like, I know the perfect person to make me an art journal, and that person is my friend Shirley, and she is from I Want a Peacock. She does post on Instagram, and she sells her items on eBay. I think I could figure out how to link her Instagram in my description box below, so I will do my best. So just open up that box and go over on Instagram and follow her. She has sent me quite a few things. She has also sent me the first entry in my Journey to 2K surprise birthday giveaway, and that closes on May the 6th, I believe. But at the end of this video, there'll be a little square that pops up, I believe, in the left hand bottom corner, if I'm not mistaken, and you can click on it and get all the information about that. But yes, I thought of no one better to actually make me that blank journal than her, so I just reached out to her on Instagram and asked her if she would be interested in doing so, and she said yes. She's been sending me over the last couple of days some teaser pictures, and oh my gosh, guys, I am so excited. I cannot get this journal in my hands quick enough is all I can say. But yes, I am doing well today, having a super fantastic day. It is Thursday the 20th when I'm filming. Hubby's out changing his oil in his car. I've gotten my clothes going, got my housework done, so I am in the craft room for the rest of the day. It's about 1:30 in the afternoon. Very nice outside. It's supposed to be in the 80s today and tomorrow, I believe, and then turning off a little chilly for the weekend. Something else exciting that happened this morning that I want to share with you guys is my friend Sherry Liberto. She is a huge supporter of my YouTube. She seriously comments on all of my videos, my Instagram, my Facebook. She's in my Facebook group. Hey Sherry, love you, girl. And she is absolutely amazing. So we actually did a video chat this morning and met kind of face to face, not in person, but face to face for the first time, and she is absolutely lovely. And she shared with me some items that she's working on, and guys, she's so talented. I mean, some of these flip out, fold out things she was showing me, I mean, I don't even have that talent, because I just can't do flippy foldy out things the way that she can. But absolutely beautiful, Sherry. But yeah, so I just wanted to come on and take a moment to show you guys these jelly printings that I have purchased off of Instagram. And this is Nola Love Creations, and according to her address, guys, she only lives like 45 minutes from me. So yeah, you guys make sure to go over. I will leave a link to her shop. Her jelly printing, guys, sneak peek, are absolutely amazing. So yeah, so this right here was a little freebie that she sent me. It is a white envelope, and how gorgeous is that? It says Secret Guarding, so she's done some, it looks like it may have been a rub off or something, I don't know. And it's got some gold in here, and then she stenciled it Secret Guarding. So this will end up being an art journal of some type, because I absolutely love that cover. So we have that. She did have some circles in there, and I thought these were very pretty. But yeah, lots of them, guys. And I forgot what paper. Oh, it was, I forgot what paper she printed these on, guys, but it is not copy paper. It is a different kind of paper, and I apologize that I don't remember. But these, just look at these, guys. They are amazing. Look, a whole big stack. I think I got 2 sets, maybe. But you really get a lot, and yeah, they were really Really well priced in my opinion. But just look at all of these different colors that you get. Absolutely gorgeous, I tell you. I am so in love with these prints. But yeah, guys, just look. For the sake of time, I'm not going to go through every one because we might be here. Now, see, look, wouldn't that look good in a ladybug journal? Which I've been thinking about doing one for ladybug. Who was it? Someone. I don't remember if it was My Porch Prince or who it was. I actually just put out a new ladybug kit, so I think I went over and hearted it so I could think about it and make sure that's the one I wanted to use for my ladybug journal. But I will be doing a ladybug journal. Alright guys, let's see what's in here. See, I haven't even opened these. Alright, oh man. Okay, so I'm actually going to cut that because I want to be able to put them, back down in here. And these are the kind that don't reseal. Let me see if I can get this up in there. Some way to just cut along the top here. But yeah, I'm just having an amazing day, feeling so good. I wished I could remember what paper this was printed on. It feels amazing. So look at this. So I will probably put this in my art journal just so that I always know, because I want to use a lot of these, but as well as doing some painting and different collages and things myself. Again, I'm watching a lot of Barbara's videos on 49 Dragonflies. Look at that. Is this a card? Yep, that's a card, but it's a blank card, so awesome. How pretty is that? Oh, this looks like a tissue paper. Oh, wow. Hope that's tearing a little bit. It's okay. Because it's going to be all torn up anyway. Oh, okay, that's the way that it goes. Oh, this is awesome. I love this. Oh, it's got pink in it too. That makes it much better. Wow. Now I'm not even sure how it was folded. Maybe like that. Okay, anyway. Very pretty. Just look at these jelly prints. I love these colors. Yeah, I can't do jelly prints like these. I just do the basic of the basic, boring jelly prints. Yep, I am in love with these. Wow. There's so many of them, guys. Look at that one with the script on it. Wow. Absolutely love it. Probably should have thought about making this more than one video, guys, because I got multiple packs. Okay, so let's just clip that back on. And that's a pink paper clip, so I will be straightening her back out. And look at this. Wow. Okay, so let's do this again. Heavily concentrate. Maybe. There we go. Oh, wow. So pretty. My goodness. Look at that. Wow. I do apologize, I don't remember what paper she used. It feels really thin, guys. Maybe before we end this video, I will go and look and see if she has some more of these in her shop where she says what paper. Look at that one. I haven't put this one up yet, and I'm moving on to the other one. You guys see that? Alright. Oh my gosh. I just love these. I am... yeah, really getting into the artsy stuff, guys, as far as, you know, painting and just, you know, you guys know Barbara at 49 Dragonflies. Just her style. Have been so inspired watching a lot of her. Gosh, I love these colors. Look, there's that script again. Lots of her older videos, some flip throughs of blank journals that she had. And I actually sent that link to Shirley. Gorgeous. So that she would know, you know, about along the lines of what I was thinking. For her to make me a blank journal that I can use. And she has the most awesome papers, guys. Shirley does at I Want a Peacock. And she makes the most amazing... okay, let's get this one started. Dyed papers. Oh my gosh. I absolutely love her dyed papers. Look at that. Wow. I skipped one. Oh, look at that one. Love, faith, grateful, happiness, believe, bless, dream, adore, family. Wow. These are just... I'm sorry if it feels like I'm going through these too quick. I just, you know, don't want it to turn into an hour-long video. Because I've got some playing to do, guys. So I have these set aside. And I have some of my jelly printing. I've got to find some more of it. Because I have, of course, misplaced it. Because I never have sense enough to put things where they go. Or where I can find them. Guys, I still haven't found my Inca Gold. You guys remember way back when I got all those colors? I've got like a teal, a turquoise, a pinks, blues, you know, the gold, the silver of the Inca Gold. And I remember distinctly putting it in something, although I can't remember what I put it in. And I have looked in every possible thing I could find. I still haven't found that Inca Gold. Look at how pretty these are. But yes, I'm trying to get, I have put these up with the last jelly printings that I did. And I want to get my original ones, because I've only done it like 3 times, guys. I want to get my other ones that I made, because the first time was here, and the second time was when we were in Florida on vacation to visit a friend of ours, and we had to call that... I was actually doing jelly printing on the back deck at his house, our friend's house, when we got the call that my mom had been diagnosed with COVID and was actually admitted into the hospital. So, of course, we rushed home, you know, just in case, because, you know, with that, you never know. So I have those, and then I did it, a week or so ago for Rachel on Roxy Creations, hashtag Roxy's Weekly Challenge. So there we go, guys. Just a little, I guess we can call it an Etsy shop share. I wanted to tell you about my visit with Sherry. Hey, girl, hey. And you have no idea, you made my day. I'm telling you, you really did. I absolutely loved seeing your craft space. Yes, I was being nosy and seeing what you were working on it, and I feel so honored that you wanted to share it with me because it is amazing. And my friend Shirley, who is making me my art journal, which I will be using some of these pieces in, along with scraps and my jelly printings and things like that. Alright guys, so please check out the description box. I will link her Etsy shop. I will link Shirley's Instagram. Again, she sells on eBay, and I can't figure out how to find her shop on eBay because I'm challenged like that. And let's see, hers, yeah, I think that's it. Oh, Barbara at 49 Dragonflies. Like you don't know who she is. Okay. Alright guys, thank you all so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate it. I love you guys, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.